In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know Windows 10 32 or 64-bit. Knowing this information is important when installing software because many programs require a specific system type to run properly. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. The Start menu allows you to quickly search for applications and system settings. Next, type Settings in the search bar and click on the Settings app when it appears in the results. This will open the main Windows Settings panel where you can manage your system configuration. Once you're in the Settings window, click on System. This section contains various options related to your computer's display, notifications, power settings, and overall system information. Now look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you find About. Click on the About tab. This page provides detailed information about your device. Under Device Specifications, look for the line labeled System Type. This is where Windows shows whether your computer is running a 32-bit operating system or a 64-bit operating system. It may also indicate whether your processor is x64-based, which helps determine compatibility with certain programs. By checking the system type, you can easily confirm which version of Windows 10 your computer is using. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly determine whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, helping you choose the correct software and avoid compatibility issues.